Okay, so we are at D now. Alright, so for D, it says construct the grid, the point K where By is 3 times of AK. So can I check By what is the magnitude?
By
3 units, right? Should I use 3 or should I use 3.16? Just use 3. Okay, maybe we try to explore. This means magnitude, right? Magnitude. AK, magnitude. Alright, I zoom in a bit. Now, By magnitude is root 10, right? So this is 3 times of AK. So AK will be what? So root 10 over 3. So how? Yeah, 1.0 something. But because part C want us to round off to the nearest whole number, so are we talking about whole number? So By is 3 times. But they never say anything. So let's try. By is 3 times of AK. Alright, everyone, look at the By now. By is this green line. Agree? Agree, yeah? Now, if I divide by 3, do you agree that this is 1 part? Or rather, this is 1 part, this is 1 part, this is 1 part. So which means if I want 1/3 of it, what I'm doing is I'm trying to move 1 step to my right. And how many steps up? 0.5 is a bit too much. Maybe 0.3 plus thing kind of thing. Now I go back to A. So A means if I want AK, I must move 1 step to the right. And how many steps up? Maybe here. Is this K? So this is K, right? This is K. Is there 1 point only? No, right? Can I go the other direction? Actually, yes. 1 point to the left, 1 point up. This is K as well. Is there one more? Is there one more?
Yes. 4.
The way I look at it, there are 4 answers. All the 4 are possible, right? Because they say the magnitude is 1/3 of it, but they didn't say which direction. So to me, these 4 answers are okay. Do you need to label 4? No need. Just label 1 out of the 4. Okay? So this is good. Can we go on to the next part? I record from here. So this is the answer. Check. Don't know. Ask Ahad. Next. Okay. Position vector. Now very important. Now position vector means reference from point origin. Alright? Point origin. Okay? So if I tell you position vector of P is 2, 1, it means that OP is 2, 1. Why OP? Because position. Position means I start from origin. Origin means O. Does it make sense? Okay, can you write down this important understanding? Sorry. Okay, can you help me draw an axis on top? Everyone? Done? Done. Alright, put down X and Y. Can you help me put down I'm dying. Can you help me put down point O at the origin? Done? Done. Can follow, can follow what I'm doing. Now, tell me what does 2 means. You look at this 2, what does this 2 means? Move 2 unit to the right. So from here, I will move 2 unit to the right. So this is 2 unit. Now what does the 1 means? 1 unit up. So from here, 1 unit up. And this point is called P. Now, can you draw a line, use a ruler, join, and tell me this is OP vector? All your attention is on the top graph here. Do I need to zoom in?
Yeah.
Yes, I zoom in for you. Copy this down. Copy this down. Come. Fujin and Crystal. One is so happy, one is so sad. Okay. Alright, so OP, so I go back to this. Now, can you suggest, Joshua, what is the coordinate of P? 2, 1. Now, this important discovery tell us that position vector is directly linked to C1 or coordinate. Can you write that down? Very important. Now, this is a 2-directional relationship. Okay, which means if I tell you position vector, do you know coordinate? Yes. Can you write down coordinate P is 2, 1. If I tell you coordinate, do you know the vector? Yes. It's 2, then on top 2, then bottom 1. Clear? This is very important. Alright, now the not so. Okay, now the practice. Position vector is this. So express PQ as a column vector. So can you write? This one means what? Point. But can I convert to a vector?
Yes.
Matthew, try. Try telling me 2 alphabet with an arrow on top. What do I write here? Very good. OP is 2 minus 3. I assume you are talking up and down. So similarly for this, OQ will be 4, 1. Zoo. Now we try Zoo. I want to find PQ.
You need to do the
Addition. So it's some vector plus some vector. Now let's try. Yeah, so let's try to name correctly first. First, I must start with. What are you doing? First, I must start with P, right? So this one must be P. I must end with Q, right? That means this one must be Q. The inter letter must be same, right? So it will be O, right? So it will be PO plus OQ. Now what is PO? Negative of OP, right? Plus OQ. Yeah. You are very fast. So this is -2, -3 plus 4, 1. Oh, why negative OP? This negative is because of the negative vector, remember?
Yes.
So if PO means negative OP, it's just like AB, is it equals to BA? No. But with a negative, then it's equal. So if I want to change direction, I just need to add a negative sign there. That's called negative vector. Flip back to the negative vector and revise again. So moving quickly, this will be -2, 3 plus 4, 1, and this will be 2, 4. So this is 2, 4. Anyone got question? No. Yay. Can go on? Yes. Talking to myself. Okay. Now, first we understand the question. Can you underline coordinate of B? Mei Yan, try. If coordinate of B I convert to a vector means I want to find what vector? Parallel vector, no. Huh? I don't know. Arshad, try. If I want to find coordinate of B, I say coordinate of B is equal to one vector. What is the name of the vector? OB vector. Mei Yan, do you know how he get this? Because on top we mentioned position vector and coordinate is the same thing. If I say coordinate is 2, 1, I'm telling you position vector, which is OP, is 2, 1. Do you see the relationship now? So whenever I ask, whenever I ask coordinate, I'm asking you what is the position vector of OP. If I ask you what is OP, I'm asking you what is the coordinate. These two are the same. They are the same thing. They mean the same thing. Only they are different, but they mean the same thing. Can follow? So I go back to the question again. The question says, what is the coordinate of B? That means I'm asking you, what is the position vector of OB? Because when I know OB, do I know B? It's a direct relationship. Do you understand? So if I say OB is 2, 1, what is coordinate B? 2, 1. If I say OB is 3, 5, then this is 3, 5. It's just like that. So it's a direct relationship. So I know I need to find OB. Next, what is given to you? AB. So can you write down? So how you start is always like that. How you start is, you just write down AB is 9, -6. Next, you try and split this AB. Split into what? Split into something plus something. Yanti, try. What plus what will give you AB? OA plus OB. Well done. OA plus OB. Must. If I take OA plus OB, can I plus in the first place? Let me listen. Must. If I take OA plus OB, can I add them up in the first place? No. What's the reason? Hey, the rest of you. Why I cannot add? Because the interchange is not the same. It's just like I want to change train from Sengkang alight. The next stop is Pasir Ris. Is it possible? No. So you must be alighting at the same stop. So which means exactly what must you change? Minus OA, right? Or maybe I should write a step slower. I should write AO instead. Now Yanti, always remember, if I start with A, this will be the starting. If I end with B, this will be the ending. So the start and end is like, I take a scissors, I cut, I put it here. Then the interchange can be any letter. Can be E, can be X, can be Y, can be Z. But in this case, O, because I'm interested in OB. Clearer now? Okay, Raj. What is AO? -5, 3. -5, 3. Okay, Raj. If I tell you AO, if I tell you a point A is -5, 3, can you translate this into a vector and tell me what do I write in this space here? OA. OA is correct because I always start with O something. It's called position vector. Can I still write -5, 3 here?
No, because you got AO.
Raj. Not sure. Look, is it the same? No. This is OA, this is AO. How do I make it the same? I add a negative sign. So this one will be minus OA. So this is minus OA plus OB 9 negative 6. Next question. Can I bring the OA over? Answer is yes. If I bring the OA over, it will become plus. Can follow? So you work like algebra, somewhat like algebra. So you can bring the OA over. So OB is equals to 9 negative 6 plus OA. Do you know OA? Yes. Can you work out the answer and tell me what is OB? Oh, still doing. Alright, attention. In answer, should I leave in 3SF or should I leave in search? 3SF. Okay? In Emacs, strictly 3SF. In Amacs, it depends. Alright? If you see the word exact, you leave in search. If you don't see, it's in 3SF. Okay? So then this answer should be 2.24. Miyan, what's the OQ? No. Mingwen, what's the OQ? Everyone sharing calculator. Yulin, what's the OQ? Huh? 5, exactly. 5 units. Zoo, what's the next one?
What? DQ.
Ah.
Whatever do.
Oh.